Wow, this park looks huge today.
It is, Toby. It's a perfect day.
Let's go explore.
Stay close, Toby. This park is big.
Okay, Mom.
This place is perfect for walking.
Can we explore those trees first? Yes, but stay beside us.
I see a playground over there.
Toby, wait up!
Okay, Dad.
Do not run too far, Toby.
I won't. The water fountain is beautiful.
Let us visit the lake later.
I want to see the ducks. This swing goes very high.
Be careful while swinging, Toby.
Ready for a bigger push.
This is so fun today. Hello, do you want to play? Yes, let us play together. The slide is very fast. I will try it first.
Toby is very brave today.
Kids love playground adventures.
Look at those bright balloons.
Would you like a balloon?
The red balloon looks cool. There is an ice cream stand. Ice cream sounds amazing.
Toby, stay close. Toby, stay near us, please.
Okay, Mom, I hear you. Have fun, Toby. I want to see that bridge. Your parents stayed there. I will come back soon. This path looks different now. Where is the playground? I do not see Mom anywhere. Mom, where are you now?
Are you looking for someone?
I cannot find my parents.
Do not worry, we will help.
Really?
Of course.
Everything looks unfamiliar here.
The ranger can help you.
Really? Thank you. Thank you for helping me.
Toby, where did you go?
He was here a moment ago.
Maybe he followed the balloons?
Let us search the paths.
Did you see a boy? Toby, where did you see him go? He walked toward the lake. Okay, thank you. Toby, let's go find him.
Thank you for telling us.
We must find Toby quickly.
The ranger station is nearby.
Let us check there first.
I cannot find my parents.
We will help you find them.
Thank you for helping me.
Lost child near the lake. Yes, Toby.
Are you calling my parents?
I am. They're on their way. Yes, we will find them soon.
I will wait here quietly.
Here is some juice.
Oh, thank you!
You're welcome.
This is great! Enjoy it! Thank you very much.
They should arrive soon. Toby, there you are.
Mom, I found you!
We were very worried.
I should stay close next time.
Yes, always stay near us. Families should stay together.
I learned my lesson today.
Thank you for helping him.
You're very welcome. It is my job to help. Thank you so much.
You are a great ranger.
Thank you, Toby. I'm glad I could help. We walk together now.
I will stay beside you.
Let us see the ducks.
Yes, I love ducks.
Adventure continues safely.
The ducks look funny.
They are hungry now.
The ducks are chasing food.
This is a great memory.
Goodbye, funny ducks. Ice cream is waiting.
You never forget snacks.
It's the best part. He certainly has his priorities.
He sure does.
One ice cream each.
Best day in the park.
Chocolate ice cream for Toby.
This tastes amazing.
This is very refreshing.
Family ice cream celebration.
Ice cream on my nose.
That happens every time.
Today was a big lesson. It certainly was, sweetie.
We're proud of you.
Always stay close in big places.
I will remember forever.
I know you will, sweetie.
You handled the problem well.
Next time I stay close.
Time to go home. Come on, Toby.
Goodbye, fun park.
More adventures tomorrow.
I love family adventures.
You are our brave boy.
Thanks, Mom. Can we go to the fountain now? Today was unforgettable.
Hop in, Explorer.
Next adventure soon.
Home we go.
The park looks beautiful.